Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Dorbar mentah kesengi, ka wei terik nai weng arajar pau kadang suai mentah. Kani kadai hadin bala dep banyatai hapo Ïing Dorbar ya katakan no confidence motion ke balawan ra da kaliang Pyrshah hakaba kani ke jingyatai kalane haduk kumbah nyau kenta siteng nadu khatwei arpau bat kala wai ndala candap nyau beje hakani ke jingyatai ki MLA na kaliang Pyrshah ki lawan ra ban pensngau sa kesorkar ki don ki bakren ya ki mat ki bakta e ka jela brok kawai ki don ki bakta tangi ki benta ki badai jong ka konstituensi jong ki bat nakaliang unang yalam jong kaliang Pyrshah ulawan ra arteli ki mat ki bakham kongsan kata kadai halor kajing khayi bi an ya udoyong ka ba ula kena bat kawai pat kadai habai dai bat ki project boarding ki ba kesorkar kala Pyrshah ban pentrekam dak ba kentiu khambon ka pisa nam taban penlut ya kini ke project boarding khamtam ya ka ganol hydroelectric project hakani ke jingyatai nakaliang ki MLA ki badan sekaliang sensyar ki lawan ra ban pensngau hapo Ïing Dorbar ya ki kam ki bakani ke sorkar MDA kalale namenta ban wanra ya ki kam penroi ki ban dei namenta ke jing mentoi jong pai ba te hadian kani ke jingyatai ke balane kumangaong naduk mane ke jingyatai ke balane nyau kenta siteng ai nakaliang ulampang ulakeli ya unong yalam jong kaliang Pyrshah laun weng no ni em ya kani kemat kani kan no confidence mission ke balawan ra da kaliang Pyrshah nrai nakaliang unong yalam kaliang Pyrshah bat ki MLA hi badan sekaliang Pyrshah ki klem tre ban weng hak ba lampang di Ïing Dorbar ulabo da ka jing tap buat lengba ka jing pen sawasur bat hakani ka jing ya tap buat nakaliang kaliang sensyar kala pen sawah kham jam kasur kabalong Pyrshah ya katakan no confidence motion kapamut bakal Liang sensyar lane ke sorkar MDA kala job ya kani ke jinget habun bat kan no confidence motion bawan ra ke Liang Pyrshah kalau syakrem no hakani ke jinget habut hapo Ïing Dorbar.
Yes, sir. Yeah, just kindly move.
So I'd like to thank you, the Honourable Speaker, for giving me this opportunity.
You can just move first and I'll ask you to
sir.
initiate later.
Where is that? Honourable Speaker, sir, whereas the Council of Ministers, led by the Chief Minister, Sri Conrad K. Sangma, has failed to address multiple and critical issues affecting the well-being of the people as a whole, and whereas the Council of Ministers, led by the Chief Minister, Sri Conrad Sangma, has failed to protect the interest of the state as a whole and failed in all fronts. Therefore, this House do now express its want of confidence in the Council of Ministers led by Sri Conrad Sangma. That this government has appointed many consultants to assist various departments in the government, thereby incurring huge expenditures from the state revenue. What is the role played by these consultants? Have their appointments been duly approved by the cabinet? I do not understand. Why is the government outsourcing all the works to these consultants?
So I rise to oppose the no confidence motion brought by the Honourable LO and his team.
So, Mr. Speaker, sir, it's time to protect the interests of our state. There is no other responsibility and duty that is vested upon us except to protect the interests of the state. People have had faith on us. They have given us mandate. We have been elected by them. Let us do justice to their. And I appeal to all the honourable members of this August House to support this motion, expressing want of confidence in the Council of Ministers led by Sri Conrad K. Sangma. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
And it's very surprising, sir, that to see that the opposition has mentioned a lot of points about the state government right now not looking back at how things have been during their time and how things have improved during our time. And today, sir, in fact, the Honorable LO has been mentioning that we should all realize that what is happening and we should go for this motion. Sir, on the contrary, I will say that you should realize now that how much this government is doing, and all of you from there also should support this government for the work that we're doing. They have said that we have failed. How come, sir, if we have failed, how did we manage to lift the ban on coal, which they could not do for the past 4 years during their time? If we have failed, then how come the COVID numbers are the lowest in the country today in our state? If we have failed, then how come we have started the assembly project which they could not do for the past 20 years? If we have failed, how come we are investing 1,300 crores in education? If we have failed, how did we get to 1,700 crores for PMGSY? Sir, if we have failed, how are these 40 MLAs supporting this government today, sir, I ask? If we have failed, they have supporting us today, sir. And if we have failed, sir, why did the Public Affairs Index of 2020 rank us as the second best governed state in the country today, sir? So therefore, using big words and connecting dots that could be from this angle to that angle and creating your own story for it doesn't make any sense, sir. Let us look at the facts. Let us see what is there on the ground. Let us see and accept. Let us accept it, sir. So the members from the opposition should have a big heart. They should accept that yes, there is development taking place. Yes, there is work happening. There's nothing wrong. You don't have to be shy for it. But we are here open to listen to your suggestions and take your suggestions and make sure that we move forward in that. So therefore, sir, with these few words, I once again would like to urge the honorable members from the opposition to withdraw this motion, and I would urge them, in fact, to support this government and be part of this great story of Meghalaya, of this transformation that is taking place, and be a part of the productive way in which we can make a difference in the lives of our people and our citizens and our state as a whole.
We will withdraw with a commitment coming from the government. We will happily withdraw when the commitment comes from the government, and I hope he will be happily also committing. I think you have given us enough time. I think you have given enough time for the government also to reply. He has spoken about different developmental programs. This is natural. Every government has a developmental program. Education, we know. We started with ADB. How many buildings have been constructed? We know it's a continuation.
Right.
But then,
So
yes.
I think
We have heard.
I have already given my reply, sir, and it's in line with what all the members have mentioned and what opposition is saying. We are all together to take the state forward. I think it's very clear. So I think my reply has been very, very clear, sir.
Now
It's
final.
an assurance.
Now final.
It's an assurance. Yes.
I have given my reply.
With that assurance,
I have
yes,
not- I have not said assurance.
it's already said. Huh?
I
Is
said
it
I-
an assurance? That's why I want clarity from.
Because I would intervene a little bit. See, this is no confidence motion. In the no confidence motion, since you already made up your mind, with due respect, sir, I understand that if we continue for another 2-3 hours, it will not end.
I will not allow
Because
so.
the intention of the opposition is not to withdraw. So why not they come out very clearly, say yes or no. That's it. And
That's
if
what I'm asking now,
not, if
right
not, also, sir,
Yeah.
you have the authority to just go for voting.
What is the mind of the mover? Whether he will withdraw this motion or not?
The opposition is collective in its decision not to withdraw because government seems to be not willing to come up clean. Thank you, sir.
Since the mover has not withdrawn his motion, now I will put the motion to the board of the House. The question is that the no confidence be passed. Those who are in favor of the motion, say aye. Those who are against, say no. I think the noes have it, and the no confidence motion is lost.